Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Finally, hopefully this one is gonna be an actual video. The last video I tried to do was me going to the track with the Stinger, but it started raining, so you probably saw some, or you're gonna see like one run of the Stinger that I ran last time. Today we're going to the racetrack again, because today, as you can see, it's nice weather. It's an 8-mile track. We have about an hour drive. I got Evan behind me and we're picking up my girlfriend, so they're gonna be my camera people. But yeah, so pretty much it's an 8-mile track. I ran a... Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to the track. So we're going in the Kia today. I was planning to go with both cars, the Kia and the Mustang, but something came in between. So today we're just gonna go to the Dragstrip with the Kia. A lot has changed since the last time you've seen it, so this is gonna be very interesting. I'm gonna tell you guys all the things that I did to the car since the last video, which is like almost a year ago now. So yeah, I hope you guys are ready. Let's see, I'm the only person here. I got no other cameraman, so I'm gonna see how I get this to work. I have a GoPro with me and I can stick somewhere on the window, and yeah, we will see how we're gonna get this rolling. Okay, so what is new on the car? Pretty much I did some appearance mods. Did you guys see it wrapped already? I don't even know if you guys saw it wrapped already. Oh my god. So yeah, the car got wrapped. I mean, you're gonna see some pop-ups here, and if you follow me on Instagram, actually no, because you don't even know what the Instagram is. But yeah, the car got wrapped. I got a JB4. Today I'm trying to run on what is it, map 4. Right now we're running on map 3 because, you know, just a regular. I got E85 and an E30 mix, what they call it. Got that already in the car, fully gassed up with these gas prices, which actually went down a lot. So yeah, that's all good. We're going to Gallup Motorsports Park in Dunn, North Carolina, and we're gonna see how much is going on. Right now the weather is great. They did say rain the last few days, and then I wasn't sure if I'm gonna go, and then today I see barely any rain, and right now actually the sun is out too, so we will see how this goes. So yeah, car has JB4 on it. I got some downpipes on it. You guys saw I installed cold air intakes. Anything else performance wise? The snorkels, you guys saw that too, which actually they did do a good difference, surprisingly. I did not expect it. But yeah, the JB4 definitely woke up the car, so we're gonna see. I hope I get into the 11 seconds. That would be great. This is also the first time for me going on the Dragstrip, so we will see how this goes. I guess we will see us there. I have about a 40-minute drive to get to the Dragstrip, so this will be interesting. Well guys, we made it. There's already stuff going on over here. I'm pretty much getting situated right now, filling out all the paperwork and stuff, and getting my GoPro set up. Yeah, there's already a couple of cars, but it's actually not busy today, so we will see how many runs we get in. So let's see. Last time to do some stuff to the Stinger. Sorry, it's not gonna be anything about the Mustang in this video. So but yeah, we have a lot of stuff done. Cold air intakes, exhaust, tune. I think that's it performance wise. We got some good grippy tires on, and last time I went I did not have the they call it the brake snip, so this time we do have the brake snip. So we will see if I can launch on that one. That pretty much means that I can build boost. Because last time when I used the launch control, it does not build boost by itself out of the box. This time It should. Hey guys, we made it to the track. It's already a little bit of stuff going on, so I'm gonna line up now. Let the car cool down for like 10 minutes. Oh yeah, let's get the first run in. It's gonna be interesting. Let's see what we can do. Well, damn. 8.2. I need to build more boost. I'll run it separate.
You can? Why not?
He's gonna beat me up. Okay, I'm gonna run him.
He's running by himself. He couldn't get the blue car to do it either.
Okay, I got you. Oh, nice. Well, I guess, oops, too far. Oh my God. Jesus. 7.7. I don't know how the f he does it. He has a better reaction there. Oh my God, 809, are you kidding me? Jesus, that was so close. yes. Woo! Oh, yes! That was fucking beautiful. Oh my god. I wouldn't be surprised if it's faster than that. I think he has more modifications done.
I think that was a V6 track.
A V6 Charger.
Yeah, that was pretty much it. I did hit a 7.9. That was my goal for today, so I got that hit. Car ran pretty well. We got like 7 or so. Man, it's kind of dark in here. I got like 7 or 8 runs in. I think it was 7. And the best one was a 7.9, 8.09. That was the 2 best ones I got today. So yeah, just a little video on the Kia. The Mustang is out of service as of right now because the AC is making issues. So it makes a lot of noises when I drive it. So I have to look into that at some point. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. We will see us in the next one. Bye bye.